Today we're making Grandma's oatmeal cookies. We're keeping it simple and delicious today with this family favorite. To get started, we're going to need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of regular sugar. Give those ingredients a quick mix. We're going to add in 2 eggs plus 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix those together. Now for our dry ingredients. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Give those ingredients a quick mix. It's time for those oats and chocolate. To the bowl, we're going to add in 3 cups of rolled oats. It's the old-fashioned oatmeal. I got this from Publix. Add in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. At this point, you can either continue with your mixer or mix these 2 ingredients by hand. I feel like I have an industrial mixer, so I chose my mixer. Take your cookie scoop and scoop out some dough. Place your cookie dough on a parchment-lined baking sheet. I think I'm using a tablespoon-sized cookie scooper. Not entirely sure what size this is, but I'm guessing that's what that is. But you can make your cookies whatever size you want them to be. They don't have to be this size, they can be bigger. Into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. You'll want to pull them out when the edges are slightly brown and the top should still look like they may need another minute in the oven, but take them out anyway. They'll continue to cook and be perfect while they're cooling on the baking sheet. I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that want to make this. For me, this made about 45 cookies. Of course, that's going to depend on your cookie scooper size. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.